my sweet friends, welcome to Fawaii. I hope everyone are okay and happy and positive. If not, I'm sure this video is gonna make you feel much better because our friends at Wildgrain sent me this huge box so I can open with you. Shall we? I'm gonna use a knife to try to open this box, take off the plastic. I can tell you that box are very security, is very amazing. They really care for the products. So let's go open it. Oh my god, a lot of ice. Let's go take off the ice. They sent me a few emails saying if the ice is all over the place, just be careful because it can hurt you, but the packets of ice are just perfect, no problem at all. And how you can see, it's still frozen, so that's great. Now we're gonna take off this part, and wow, I already see some delicious thing. I really want to try more ice. Let's try to take off all the ice so can be our journal much easy. Let's go see what we have in here. Oh my god, croissants. I love croissants. I love croissants. Who don't love a buttery, delicious croissant? I am a big fan of croissants. And how you can see, they tell you how you can baking. It's very easy, nothing from other world. But looking at that, oh my god, I never had croissants without cooking my hands, so I can't exciting for this. And I really want to try it. Oh my goodness. I bet what more we have over here. Let me see, looks like a pumpkin cinnamon rolls. Okay, I had to confess, I love cinnamon rolls, but I never tried a pumpkin cinnamon rolls, so I really want to try this soon as possible. And I want to see how hard it is to baking or cooking. I see it's very easy. I just have to follow the steps. And I see they're coming with her own glaze. Oh my god, I really have to try this soon as possible. I bet one more. Looking at that bread. Oh my goodness, coffee with bread. And this is, let me see, sourdough, rosemary garlic bread. Oh my god, I never tried this one. Normally I try garlic, butter, but rosemary, that sounds delicious. I know my husband is gonna love it. And again, the baking instructions are super easy. It's very easy to follow, guys. You should have to try this one because, come on, who don't love bread with butter and coffee? Always coffee, but bread, something sweet like a pumpkin cinnamon roll. More bread, oh my god, sourdough bread. I think this box is for Christmas for me. Christmas and October, but instructions very simple, guys. If you have a busy life, I think this book is perfect for you. And you are like me, a mother who's staying home and you have to try new things and make your life easy. This book is perfect. How you say this? Tonnarelli. I don't know how to say it. I'm sorry for my Italian friends. But again, cooking instructions super easy. Oh my god, this looks delicious. I think I'm gonna make this one this time because I want something salty for my son too, because I had to take his lunch for school. So I'm gonna try this one today with you guys. And one more we have fettuccine. Oh my goodness, who don't love fettuccine Alfredo? Fettuccine with, I don't know, with shrimp, with chicken. I had to try this one. It's too many stuff. Wildgrain friends, you made so difficult this for me. It's not fair. Because I want to try everything today, but no, I'm gonna go for the pasta. And one more, it's more. Oh my god, it's more. What is in there? Let me see. It's wow, this bread is huge. I can feel it's heavy too. And this is cranberry pecan. Oh my god, cranberry pecan. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, oh wow, you can see the cranberries over there. Oh, I'm hungry. And yes, it's heavy. So let's go start make something salty today and let's go for the pasta. I get so exciting. I see some card over here and it's from our friends of Wildgrain. So guys, this is all the products is coming in this huge box. And for the first 50 people to sign up to our friends Wildgrain box using the discount code Fawaii, you will have $10 off in your first box plus free croissants in every box. So Come on guys, come on. This sounds delicious anyway. And now we're gonna start with our recipe, and I use it here a piece of breast, of the chicken breast. I put some salt, some pepper, some cumin. We're gonna mix it very well because we're gonna use our pasta, Tonnarelli, I think is the name, and try it. Of course, we had to try it. So we're gonna put our oil in our pan and high, and we're gonna add our chicken. So I want you to listen to this beautiful sound. Is ready, and the chicken, by the way, cooked very fast. We're gonna add 1 chopped red onion. We're gonna mix for a little while, just a little mix. We add half of yellow bell pepper, a little mix again. Also, we're gonna add our tomato, is 1 tomato chopped. I try to take off all the seeds and use a little mix again. Now we add our soy sauce. I not put quantity to soy sauce because some people like more salty or less salty. So in my house they're like very salty. A little white vinegar, that is important. Use a little white vinegar, and our chicken broth. Quantity of the chicken broth is depends of you. And now we give a good mix, and this is done. So simple, so easy. Now it's time for our Tonnarelli pasta. Really, our friends of Wildgrain make our life super easy because you don't need oil, you don't need salt, you only need a pot and hot water. That's all you need. So I open my package and I put these 3 cute nests inside of my boiled water, and this nest is 1 for my husband, 1 for my son, 1 for me. And just wait for 5 minutes, stirring constantly. That's the key, stirring constantly, and that's it. After about 5 minutes, our pasta was ready, and now it's time to add to our chicken. Look at this pasta, this color is amazing. Now we're gonna be sure, try to mixing everything, try to the pasta absorb the flavor of our chicken, of our sauce. And I really want to try this one. I can't I can't wait anymore. Let's go try this one. I wanna thank my friends of Wildgrain for the confidence, of course for the free delicious products, and for the discount code for you guys. So don't forget, use Fawaii on the link I'm gonna leave you down below on the part of the comments, and you will have $10 off in your first box with free croissants. And don't forget, in this pasta I put some fresh parsley, so you can see more fancy. Let's go try. This is my favorite part. It's hot. I'm gonna try one more time. Just one more time. Just to be sure everything's okay. I just want to try the pasta now.